How do you record and add audio to Google Slides? Good news, because it's actually simple. But there's just one catch. Google Slides doesn't let you record audio directly inside the app. So you just record your audio using a phone or any recorder app. And then save your file as MP3 or WAV. And the next step is to upload to Google Drive. So open Google Drive, upload your audio file, and make sure it's fully uploaded before moving on. And then step three is insert the audio into slides. So open your presentation, click insert, and then go to audio. Select your file from the drive and then click insert. And then boom, your audio is now inside your slide. Next step is to customize the playback. You can set it to autoplay, hide the icon, adjust the volume. It's perfect for voiceovers or presentations. But here's a quick tip. Keep your audio short per slide as it keeps your presentation smooth and easier to control. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.